Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and I'm here with my Winetail smart wine preservation system. You'll know me on YouTube as someone with lots of dinner parties, and they always include wine because I am a self-proclaimed wino. I live in wine country in Central Coast, California. I recently went to this amazing wine event called the Top 100 Spectator Wine Event with the top 100 wines of the year 2025. Me and 100 spectators came to taste each of those wines. I was at the famous Brander Vineyard for this and could not wait to try the top 10 wines. They were saved for last. And that's why you want your Winetail, the smart wine preservation system in your home. Because whether it's a wine tasting event or at your favorite restaurant with your very best girlfriends, sometimes you want to come home and have one more glass. And you don't want that to stop you from having your most luxurious wines for that final glass. So with Winetail, I'm able to have that little nightcap with a very expensive wine that will be stored for further use for up to 6 months at the perfect temperature and just the amount I want. Because I don't know about you, but I go out a lot to drink and eat. And I don't want to commit myself to an entire bottle of wine. People have laughed at me and said, Rebecca, why can't you finish up that bottle of wine? And I say that might be many sips of wine along the way at the end of the night. And I only want this much for the rest of the night. Or vice versa. I might want to have a glass of wine before I go out to my restaurant or my event in the evening. Winetail is a perfect solution for preserving my wine so I don't have to worry about that $400 bottle of wine going to waste after only one glass of it. And the flavor, it's perfect. There is no souring, there's no stale taste. It is exactly as good as when I first opened that bottle because I've set my Winetail to the perfect temperature to preserve that wine. You can change its temperature, which is what I've done in this video along the way because I wanted to test out the different temperatures according to my palate and what feels good to me in my mouth from this red variety of wine. You can bring it higher or lower to your taste. And the temperature also matters for preserving your wine. You want it cool. Inside Winetail's beautifully designed wine preservation machine is argon as a preserving agent. With your smart wine preservation system by Winetail, they send you the argon. Argon is a non-toxic gas that's used to preserve wine because it's heavier than air. It creates a protective layer over the wine surface, preventing the oxygen that would get into the bottle if you just put it in your fridge. That wine would have oxidized after a couple days, giving you a bad flavor. So with the argon they give you, you install it into your Winetail. It's very safe. It's non-flammable, it's non-toxic, it's colorless, odorless, tasteless. It's inert, it's completely unreactive. And because that argon is heavier than air and oxygen, your flavor of your wine will be preserved. That argon that's automatically injected into your bottle displaces the air, which protects your wine. This is just my wine collection in my living room for easy access. I have cases and cases of my favorite wine underneath my house in cold storage. And you may be like me and not want to open a bottle just for a nightcap or for the pre-wine before you go out. This is why this is such an amazing cost saver and excellent solution so you can have wine when you want it, in the quantity you want it, without wasting any. When you order your Winetail wine preservation system, it comes right to your door. I open the box, and this is how it came packaged. They took great care so nothing would get damaged during shipping. Here is the Winetail machine. I put it right on my kitchen counter. This is the front of it. It's got a sleek, attractive design. Here we're seeing the right side of it. Now here's the back of it. We can see below where the connectors are going to go for the electrical and the on and off switch. They're on the bottom. Here's the left side of the machine. Here's a close-up of the control panel on the front. On the display are buttons for different operations. The top left button is the unlock button. The device is locked by default. You press that button to unlock it in order to have the wine come out of the spout. After 1 minute of non-operation, it automatically relocks. So after unlocking it, you press the pouring button. You're going to place your glass underneath the spout, and you'll press this button to start pouring the wine. Press the button again to stop. And here are the two temperature buttons, temperature up and temperature down. You'll use those to create the perfect storing temperature. Different varieties are best stored at different temperatures. That's why Winetail offers your temperature selection for your particular wine. You can set the temperature from 41 degrees Fahrenheit to 65 degrees Fahrenheit, as you like. Just by pressing the temperature buttons, you achieve your desired temperature. And these are the tapping buttons. After placing your wine into the compartment, you press this button to automatically complete the bottle piercing and lift tray movement, which I will show you in a demonstration further into this video. The untapping is the reversal. It is a needle removal button. And the FC switches the temperature between Fahrenheit and Celsius, as you like. Your Winetail wine preservation system arrives like this as I open the front. It has packing material inside. I took that out, and let me show you some close-ups. The Winetail wine preservation system is solely to use with wine bottles that come with corks. And here is the base of the machine. I open that. This is a chamber where the argon goes. This is how it comes delivered to you. Here is the attachment. This is where the argon capsule will go. Just start to unbox it. We take it out of the box. Here is the user manual, the electrical cord, and as well the argon capsules that Winetail ships with your machine. Here is the back of the machine with a close-up of how we hook it up to the electrical. To plug in the electrical, one side goes right into the back of the machine. So you plug that in. We see the on and off button off to the left. And with the cord, it's a 3-prong plug, which gets plugged in to any North American normal household outlet, 120 volts for power. Plug it in, and then you switch it on. The display will light up. At the top of it is a digital display. It'll show the current chamber temperature, and that's what you would use as well to set the temperature. Here it is in centigrade. Winetail gives you 3 argon canisters, which is great for replacement. And the Winetail is so easy to set up. And let me show you now how to operate it. So whether you're first starting it up or you're replacing the argon, you open the front panel, and here is the connection. You pull out the connection, and inside is where the argon is going to screw in. So you take an argon canister and you simply screw it in. About 10 twists and it's in. Screw it in tight, and there it is. You just place it back into the machine and close up the bottom. As simple as that. Now let me show you how you put the wine in. I've chosen this lovely wine. It has a cork. So open up the front of your Winetail, and even though there's lead on top of that bottle, I want you to notice I didn't even have to take off the covering, which is a lead covering that goes over the cork. It can just go in straight away like that. If it was wax, you would take the wax off of it. But normal coverings of corked bottles, you don't have to. Some bottles come without any covering. That's okay too, if it's just a raw cork there. Place it in, close the cover. It snaps closed. I'm adjusting the temperature here. I've chose 55 degrees for this demonstration. After you choose your temperature, it's time to tap your cork. And here is what the machine does to tap your bottle. It's going to put a needle through your bottle to dispense your wine. And in just a few seconds, you can enjoy your wine. So to do that, you press the unlock button and then the pouring button to dispense your wine. I stopped only at a couple of ounces, but you get the idea. And then I'll spray a tiny bit of mist as the argon goes into the bottle to preserve it. So cheers to Winetail. Click the link below to get yours. What an amazing smart wine preservation system. I'm Rebecca Brown. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to get notified of my next video. And let's keep making great recipes in life. And today's recipe is for wine time with your favorites with Winetail. Cheers. I might get a little refill off camera. See you next time. Yum.